Hello friends, we're here at Hanging Rock State Park. Just got our tents set up. We're going to be camping for a couple of days. We're getting ready to go up to the top of the Hanging Rock. Tomorrow morning we're going to go to Moore's Knob. Come on and go with us. Well, we were going to go to Hanging Rock, but I think we've decided since we're going to be hiking a long ways tomorrow to Moore's Knob, we're going to take the Wolf Rock Trail. I think that's going to be a little less traffic on it today and get a little bit different scenery. We've made it to the Wolf Rock. This is a very scenic area. And of course, this is the Wolf Rock. From this view right under the rock, it probably looks the most like a wolf. The Wolf Rock. Well, that was a nice hike. We're going to head back to the campsite now and start fixing some dinner. Let me give you a quick look at the campsite. We're here at site number 28 on the upper loop. It's just about to get dark. We've got the fire going. We've got some chili heating up. I think I've just about perfected this chili recipe. Of course, we got our tent set up. You can see that the sun's going down on the mountain. It's going to be dark soon.
What are you smoking tonight, Gary?
Well, I'm smoking my second favorite. This is a St. Louis Ray Series G, Churchill size, 58 ring. This is one of my favorite cigars. You know, sitting around this fire has me thinking about something. You know, we've been real fortunate to retire early and be able to get out and do things, go camping, hiking, you know, do stuff that we enjoy. But you know, life's short. And if there's something that you want to do, you need to do it. You know, don't put it off. If you can, try to get out and enjoy life. That's what we're doing. Good morning. It's time to get this day started. I'll show you here on the Hanging Rock map the trail that we're going to go on. We're camping about here. So we're going to come down here and take this red trail down to the end of the lake, and then we're going to follow Cascade Creek around this way, and then we're going to turn back up and take the ridge up here to Moore's Knob and Balanced Rock, and then we're going to come back down this way to the campground. We're going to be going on the Moore's Wall Loop Trail, 4.1 miles. This is starting from the campground. This is going to be a real pretty trail when these start blooming here in a few weeks. All right, here's where we start uphill. I noticed that the red blazes are numbered Does anyone know what the significance of this is? Craig, this trail is pretty serious. Let me show you where we're going. There's a fire tower up on the top of that next ridge. Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see it. That's where we're going. All right, we're almost there. There's the fire tower. Looks like there was some other kind of structure here originally that had a wider base. Foundation posts are still here. We're on top of the fire tower, and in the distance you can see Pilot Mountain. According to the sign, that's 11.4 miles away. Looking east, you can see the hanging rock in the distance. According to the sign, that's 1.2 miles. Well, we made it to Moore's Knob. It was a moderately strenuous hike, but well worth it. It's a beautiful view. Hey Craig, if you had to describe this hike and this trip in one word, what would it be?
Winning.
Winning. I agree. I see why they call it the balanced rock. We did the loop clockwise, which is more of a graded terrain coming up. That's a long way around coming from the campground. But you can see coming around, if you were coming up counterclockwise, you'd have all these steps to deal with. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel and watch my other videos. And until next time, so long.